Today I'm talking about cleaning your imaging sensor and helpful tools to expedite that. Do a better job, actually, of cleaning your sensor. So I have a DLC digital SLR sensor loupe. It's a device that you use to magnify your sensor as you're cleaning it. You can see all the dust. Pretty simple device. It has magnifiers inside. Place the device on the camera. You can look inside, see more detail. This one has a light, which is very helpful. So you just look in there, see all the dust. This one also comes with an attachment that hooks up to your flash hot shoe, so that locks into place, and then you just connect your device like so, and you can also adjust the height of it. So you just look in there and see all the dust. This one also has a secondary magnifier, so you have lesser and more magnification as you put that inside. You can easily see the sensor. This is the lower magnification setup. Then you press in the higher magnification. Let's see if I can get it too well focused, but you can actually see some dust inside there on the sensor. So it's very helpful. For example, this one with the added arm here, you can get inside there and clean it while you can still look through the magnifier. Those are just some basics of cleaning your sensor with special tools. Thanks.